Tehillim 84. For the chief musician, on an instrument of Gittit, a psalm by the sons of Korah. How lovely are your dwellings, Yahuwah Tsebaot! My soul longs and even faints for the courts of Yahuwah. My heart and my flesh cry out for the living Elohim. Yes, the sparrow has found a home, and the swallow a nest for herself, where she may have her young near your altars, Yahuwah Tsebaot, my King and my Elohim. Blessed are those who dwell in your house, they are always praising you. Selah. Blessed are those whose strength is in you, who have set their hearts on a pilgrimage. Passing through the valley of Baca, they make it a place of springs. Yes, the autumn rain covers it with blessings. They go from strength to strength. Every one of them appears before Elohim in Zion. Yahuwah, Elohei Tsebaot, hear my prayer. Listen, Elohim of Yaakov. Selah. Behold, Elohim our shield, look at the face of your Mashiach. For a day in your courts is better than 1,000. I would rather be a doorkeeper in the house of my Elohim than to dwell in the tents of wickedness. For Yahuwah Elohim is a sun and a shield. Yahuwah will give grace and glory. He withholds no good thing from those who walk blamelessly. Yahuwah Tsebaot, blessed is the man who trusts in you.